we just launched this feature. We call it text-to-image new categories. We included 7 categories into our text-to-image arena, like photorealistic and 3D modeling and branding images. If we look into the specific categories versus overall, we do see the ranks change. We want to know for a certain model whether they are performing well in a certain category. Most popular category is actually the photorealistic, which is pretty interesting because a lot of times people are looking for animations and industry design, all those. But the photorealistic is the one that AI is really, really good at. And that's most of users actually come to. It's more than 40% of the use cases are in that category right now. First, the AI models can actually generate those really, really well. And then people are like amazed and they share in the social network, to share with friends, and then they get back to say, hey, can I generate more? Because actually the AI is getting better and better on this. Those are not usually the case in the traditional way. How do we categorize our user prompts into 7 different categories? This is a pretty interesting topic. Is that because it's not very easy to just look at the prompts from user to decide or look at the images. We actually developed behind the scene. There is a larger language model to understand what the user's prompts are and then decide which category it will belong to. And there also sometimes can be overlap. And we train our model, use a lot of our user data and based on the training data and also validate if it's accurate or not. So in the end, we found that it's very useful. Just look at the user's prompt and understand the categories. And then we decide to tag on it. So that's 2 phases. The first is we look at the past data to train our model. And the second is that in the data pipeline, when we actually get the data to tag it, use that model. Usually, actually, the prompt is only input for the models, so they will figure out. And then our model should also, similar to what the image model can figure out if they are generating a certain category of the images needed. Just try it and see the result, because usually humans are great at image, less on the text, while the try and the error is the great way.